I really like miniature items. The Zuru 5 Surprise mini brands are pretty cool. These are sealed in 2 plastic wrappings. I find it easier just to cut the darn things off. Once you get the plastic wrapping off, just pull the tab and it falls open. Now let's see what we got. Ball number 1. Friday's chicken wings. This is a 1/6 scale cardboard package. A plastic bucket of Dum-Dums. The lid doesn't come off. Ham and cheddar Lunchables. This is a plastic piece and is 1/6 scale. Hershey's chocolate syrup. This is a plastic piece and it looks like the labels can be removed. Weiler's drink mix. This is also a cardboard package and it doesn't look like it's 1/6 scale. Ball number 2, pop the tab. What do we have? A collector's guide. We'll take a look at that later. Baby Bell cheese. This is a plastic piece. It looks like you could remove the label. It's a bit large, it's not 1/6 scale. Nabisco wheat thins. This is pretty cool. This is a cardboard piece. It's also 1/6 scale. Friday's buffalo style chicken wings. This is also a cardboard piece. It's 1/6 scale. Icy's push pops. Also a cardboard piece. It's 1/6 scale. Pez Candy Dispenser. It's a really nice packaged piece here. It's 1/6 scale. It's really nice looking. Ball 3. Pop the tab. Let's see what we have. Barnum's Animal Crackers. This is a cardboard box with a handle. Jolly Ranchers Hard Candy. It's a plastic bag with some foam filling. It's 1/6 scale. Here we have another collector guide. We'll take a look at that later. We have Forehead Candies. It's a plastic bag with some foam filling and 1/6 scale. Stovetop Stuffing Turkey Flavor. This is also a cardboard piece. It's 1/6 scale. Zazaran's Jambalaya Rice. This is a cardboard piece. It's 1/6 scale. Now some thoughts on these. I kind of wish that Zuru made more outdoor themed items. I'm going to find it hard to use some of these. I think with the cardboard items, they can be pulled apart and you could trace around them onto some tan scrapbook paper or some thin cardboard and then print out some MRE labels and make your own MREs. I like the candy bags. I think I could use them. I'm sure one of my Joes has a sweet tooth. The Barnum's Animal Crackers with a handle. I'm thinking of pulling this one apart and making it into a field first aid kit. It has a great shape to it and a built-in handle. The Hershey's chocolate syrup stuff, it would work at a campsite. The Baby Bell cheese, however, it's a bit large, but it has an interesting shape. I might turn it into a landmine or something. The Lunchable would also work at a campsite if you had a cooler to keep it in. Also the wheat thins. I really like this box of wheat thins. Pretty nice looking, and it can be used at a campsite. And I'm sure there's a way to make wheat thins out of printed cardstock or something. The Dum-Dum buckets might get a makeover. But the Pez Candy Dispenser, it's pretty cool. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet, but I really like the look of it. The rest of the box items, I might just pull them apart and use them as patterns for MREs. If I had more of an urban setting for 1/6 scale, then I might be able to use them. Dan at Daring Productions created a 1/6 scale mini mart as part of his Devil of the Woods photo story. He made most of these items by hand. This was many years before Zuru mini brands. His work is very impressive. I highly suggest you take a look at his photo stories. I might hang on to some of my mini brands and use it for a mini mart, but right now I don't have the space for anything that big. If you look at the collector's guides, there's a few items we can use. I'm not interested in the weird gold, glow-in-the-dark, metallic stuff, but that's kind of the gamble we take on getting these blind box items. My favorite items are going to be anything I can use at a campsite setting, like ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, and other type of condiments. But the likelihood of me getting what I want is very slim. I suppose I'll have to rely on my ability to customize these to my own specifications. Well, that's all I have for you. Let me know what you think about the Zuru mini brands in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're not already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.